Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Appalachian Home and the 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. So today is project number 9, and this project I thought would be great not only for your kitchen, but handmade gifts for Christmas or for family and friends. And I also think it's a great sellable item for Christmas if you have a shop or website that sells handmade goods. So some materials I used were these towels that I actually made myself, and I'll show you in a second how to do that if you want to make your own. And I'm also using this heat transfer vinyl or iron-on, and it is the Sizer Easy Weed HTV, and it came from 651vinyl.com. And I'm also using my Cricut Easy Press for this project, but I do believe you can use a household iron as well. To make the towels, I used a white cotton denim fabric from Walmart, and I just fold in my edges 1/4 inch twice, and I sew a seam along all the edges, and I'll link a video up above where I actually did this in the pillow cover I made for Christmas. So I looked up some Christmas recipes for gingerbread and sugar cookie, and I just typed them out in the Chicadee font, and the size of the text box came out to about 7.4 by 12.3 inches in design space. You can also upload this file into Design Space. I'll leave a link where you can actually find these if you're interested in them. Then you can just upload them into your Design Space, and once you upload them, you'll have to resize them back down to the dimensions that you want. When you go to make your cutout on your Cricut machine, just want to make sure to mirror your image. When you're cutting on HTV, it cuts backwards so that it can iron on the right way. So just mirror your image, and then you can send it to your cutter. And I'm placing on the HTV glossy side down. It has two sides. One's a glossy side, and that is usually your transfer side. So you'll want to place that on the sticky side of your mat face down. Now you're ready to place this on your towel, and I've already folded my towel the way I want it to look, especially if you're going to hang it on a stove or something like that. So then once I have it placed, I'll unfold it, and I'm using this Cricut Easy Press mat, but the directions also say you can use a towel if you're using an iron or the Easy Press if you don't have the mat. And the setting I'm using is 315 degrees for 30 seconds, and I'm just tacking it on for about 10 seconds. And then I'll use a scrap piece of fabric and finish out the other 20 seconds. So I'll go ahead and remove this plastic first. I don't want the plastic to melt onto my towel, so I'm going to tack it on for 10 seconds, remove the clear plastic, and then I'll finish up the other 20 seconds. Both Cricut and Sizer Easy Weed have different settings for different materials, so you may want to look that up and just check and make sure exactly the time and temperature that you want to use for your material. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this 12 Days of Christmas project. We have 3 more Christmas projects to be finishing up next week, so look for those videos. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when the next videos are all uploaded. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.